Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to remove FW prefix from Outlook subject while forwarding an email. Okay, as you can see right now, I opened a mail here and now I'm going to clicking on forward this mail. And now as you can see in subject field, here we can see the FW prefix added automatically. So now to remove this FW or forward prefix from your subject while forwarding a mail, all you have to need, first of all, just discard your current forwarding mail and now go to home section, and here you will find these to manager. Just right click on to manager and here click on manage quick steps. And now here we have to create a new quick steps. So click on new and click on custom. And give here the custom quick step name. I'm typing here remove FW. And now click on this action drop down. And here you have to select forward. Once you select it, now click on show options. And here we can see the subject field. So as you can see by default here FW add date. So all you have to need to remove this FW from all of your forwarding email subject, just delete FW from here and now just click on finish. Now all you have to need, just open the email that you want to forward, and now once you open the email, don't click on this forward, you have to click these quick steps. So quick steps, so here you can see the quick steps showing up that I just created. So all you have to need, just click here and then here you can see the forward, the email is forwarding, and here as you can see the FW prefix not showing in this forwarding subject box. And now if you want to add a shortcut for these quick steps, all you have to need to right click on these steps, quick steps, and click on edit, and here click on shortcut key and you can select a shortcut from here. So I'm selecting Ctrl Shift 1 and clicking on save. And now on, just to forward a mail, open the mail and you have to press Ctrl Shift 1 or the shortcut you just created, and here the email forwarding window will open. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.